one, guys. Out here in Long Beach. The bottom of it.
Right here's 19 feet.
I know, it just keeps dropping. Yeah. Working about halfway back to you. That looks like a good cast working in there, good.
Keep an eye for any other people boats, something I don't see.
So I got snagged, and then I did my little trick.
There we go! You're on?
Fire, baby!
Did he? Where'd he hit us?
He hit hard, man!
I know where though, on the tub?
Yeah! I just barely switched it and it smashed it. Oh shit, baby! Go. Right there, guys, right there on that PK5 quarter-ounce warbaits head on that baits reel. Let's go. Absolutely beautiful calico out here. January on the break wall. There we go. See you, bud. Woo. You know what's crazy? Right when he hit, I was in a snap. Yeah.
You definitely have one left?
I had one, yeah, for sure.
There's no hook loop left. Did you get off or no?
No. What's going on? I was. He went in the rock. No,
You don't want to record?
no, I'm recording on the GoPro. Oh my god.
Oh, man, Dave's gonna like to see that
Oh.
one, you little shit.
Oh my god. Dude, that's like a 5-pound sand bass. Holy shit. Take a look at that. He choked that. Oh my god, that's a beautiful fish. Look at that, he choked it right down.
Oh, let me clean my lens. Maybe my lens.
FaceTime Dave.
Dave's working. Here, Dave, stand up on the belt.
Get a good picture. Dude, this is why you fish at night. These things come out. What's up, guys? Got another chunk here. Oh, it's another sandy. Ooh, that's a big boy too. There on that kicker, Killionaire 5. Beautiful sand bass right there. Let's go, guys. Give him a hug. Back in the water. Beautiful fish. Let's get it back. Nice. Beautiful.
I cannot hear you with the motor and the music.
I said I'm not even getting hit on the rocks anymore. I'm getting hit halfway to the boat.
On the bottom?
Yeah, just pop it on the bottom.
What's that clapping? It's a bird.
Literally just do this. Fast little pops on the bottom. Dad, here. Take it. Oh, okay. Dude, they're everywhere in there. Ooh, that's a cow. Oh. Oh, fish taco. Look at that little sucker. Sculpey. Good fish tacos right there. No way.
You got a Garibaldi?
No, another sculpin.
Hello everyone. Today I'm going to go over the gear and tackle me and my dad used to fish the Long Beach breakwall. So to start off, I wanted to go over my rod selection. I have a G Loomis 8 foot 2 to 6 ounce 15 to 30 pound, and it's just, you know, a swim bait rod. I love this rod because it's got a long handle that's great for that leverage when you're casting, and I paired that up with a Baits 150. That drag is awesome, especially with that low profile reel. It just gets fishing so fast. And most of the time I was using just a Warbaits neck breaker with a Killionaire PK5, but we also had a few other colors that worked really well, which I'm gonna go over right now. So for the majority of time when we were out there, I was fishing 25 pound, and in my opinion, this was a little bit light. They didn't seem to be line shy, so next time I go out there, I'm definitely gonna move up to 30 and 40 pound line. Doesn't matter what color jig head you're throwing. I like these reds a lot, anywhere from a ½ ounce to almost, you know, 3/4 an ounce we were throwing. Here were the 4 colors we were kind of throwing. This mullet color. I like this PK with the red on the front a lot too. We did get a few off camera on the white. And this Killionaire, I really like this one. This is kind of like an overall pick that I start off with. I really like that gray, and it imitates bait fish really well. But out there, it didn't matter too much. As long as you were in the right zone, that was all that was really mattering. I feel like if we did throw a craw bait or something, we could have picked a few off on there. But I feel like the kickers and stuff definitely worked really well. And I was happy with how everything performed. Unfortunately, the GoPro did cut out a few times, so we missed some footage. But overall, we had a great time, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you.